Hi, I'm Gabriette and I'm back with another lip combo. I did something crazy. Mac told me that I could use my stone only if I chose a different lipstick color. So I kind of just like closed my eyes and went for it. What do we think? This is my very unexpected MAC lip combo and I'm gonna show you how I did it. So we're taking Stone, love her. Same beautiful line. I'm not blending out too much. And this is Violet Vapor. Ooh, literally I've never met her until today. Look, like have you ever seen me in a lip like this? No, that's why I picked her. She deserves some love too. And I just smooshed it all on. Oh, no, on my tooth. Wow. It's kind of fun. It kind of reminds me of my grandma, like not in a bad way. Her favorite color is like purpley pinks. So this one's for you, Beverly. This is the Beverly lip combo. If she were like young and slutty. And this is my 100th MAC lip combo. Just a little pencil and Violet Vapor. Who knows where we'll go next? Thank you.